All right, so what we have here is a 2006 Lexus ES330 that happens to be raining inside the car. Let's get in the garage and see what's going on. All right, here we go. Let's start with opening the sunroof and checking the factory drain. Right there in the very corner, that's the drain. Now let's hit it with some water. Okay, it's not going down. All right, we don't have any water running on the floor. Over here. There it goes. So that's where our clogs are. It's right there. It's a little river running over. There you go. It went straight out this time. So this is the passenger side. The hole's right there. It's completely blacked. Alright, let's see if we got any water left. Now let's see what happens with this side when we pour the water in. Oh, soak the flashlight. Okay, that side's draining like it should. There you go. Now to be sure, we'll hit them both with some compressed air. All right, so if you've enjoyed any of this content that we put out and you'd like to support our channel, there is a tip jar in the video's description. I want him to soak the car right down, simulate a downpour, and then I'm gonna drive it. My mom said that once it was rained on really heavily and then she took off to drive, it would pour in from these pillars right here. She was pretty sure it was the windshield, but with those drains being clogged, we better make sure that was it. So we're just gonna let Alex do his thing out there. There's the old Ford out there. She's coming inside pretty soon. We have a new set of gauges we got for Christmas. We have a transmission temperature gauge. We also have a differential temperature gauge and a boost gauge that we're going to install in that, as well as a radio. Hopefully Alex isn't getting wet out there. If there's water or mud or something, that guy can find it. I can't really see inside there. So far so good. We got no water. Yep, it's all drained out. She said it happened when she was driving mostly. She said as soon as you would take off. Ah! That was my fault. And like always, thank you guys for watching.